A few moments later.
Hello guys, good day to all of you. So today we're going to do unboxing. This is a Onforu 20 watch RGB floodlights. As you can see guys, it's 4 pieces. I bought them. So this is ayan guys. So this is the box. So just delivered last week. Yes, just delivered last week. So it has, ayan guys, it has 50,000 hours lifespan. And then, ano yan, energy saver and IP66 waterproof rating siya guys. So, ayan guys. So, let's gonna open it now. Let's see. Ayan guys. This is what you can see inside. As you can see guys, it's a free product upgrade, lifetime warranty. So 2 minutes quick registration channel. Send us your order ID and email, and then successfully registered. Ayan. And then this is the manual. And ayan guys, as you can see, it has two let's see what is this. Okay, this is the remote control guys. So 1, 2, let's put them there. 2, 3, 4. So the packaging is really good. Ayan. So we have 4 pieces of, you can just see them guys. Ay, hindi siya kita guys. Ayan, 4 pieces of remote control guys. So ayan, we have 4 pieces of remote control. And then as you can see guys, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 socket. That means, let's be careful. Taran! Ayan guys, we have 4 pieces of, oh my goodness, we have 4 pieces of floodlights. So I ordered them guys because I really like them. Yeah, we have 4 pieces of remote control. So ayan guys, we have 4 pieces of remote control. Let's just put them aside for a while. Ayan. So this guys is I brought them because I want to put them in our garden, but I just thought that maybe I just use them inside the house, especially this Christmas coming, and especially to my Lucas bedroom. So I want Lucas bedroom to be a sensory room, kasi these floodlights are changing color and they are one. And also guys, it has 16 different colors. Yes, and then 4 modes. So yung modes niya guys is strobe, flash, and also fade and smooth. So ito yun guys. So this is the remote control. So flash, strobe, and this is the fade and smooth. So these are the colors guys, 16 colors. Ayan. And then this is the off and on. This is the remote control. Ayan guys, diba? So we're gonna try it later. It's a waterproof guys. You can use them in the garden, and you can also use them inside your house, so they can use in and out of your house. But me, I prepare inside the bedroom of Lucas, or inside my house, kasi I want Lucas bedroom to be a sensory room. So let's gonna try them, guys. So as I am prepared, I have 4, 2, 3, 4 outlet socket here, guys. Ayan, guys. So let's try one. So it's 20 watts each and IP66. So I will not only use it because of coming Christmas, I will also use it every day for Lucas. So ayan, guys. Taran! So it says also that it has a cooling effect. You can adjust the brightness. So ayan, let's use it. Let me put it more on the side. Ayan, guys. So 1, 2, let's put them one by one. So that's it. So 1, 2, that's it. There's 2. Ayan. So you can see it. I'm just gonna put it on the top of the paper. Where is the other? So I'm just gonna use it to, ayan, guys. So let's just do it like that, if it's possible. Pwede naman pala. That's it, guys. So this is another one, the third one. And the last one. So ayan, guys, I have 4 pieces floodlights, and they are also nice to put if outside your house to see the or in your cottage, ganon. But me, I just bought them to make my son bedrooms look really nice. Ayan, guys, and the other one is there. So what's happening here is, my gosh, my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. So let's just do it like this then. So oopsie daisy, I'm sorry, guys. I want to show them all in one go. Ayan. And I think this is it. Ayan. So we're gonna use this remote control. So that's it, the remote control. So if you're gonna open your remote control, and then make sure that, guys, as you can see, ayan, there is a clear plastic. So remove it. So it will be. So I'm gonna press the on button. On. So 1, 2. Oh, 3 and 4. So guys, I am only using one remote control for 4 of them, but you still have 3 here. So that's it, guys. So let's try to brighten them. Bright. So ayan, so I can, it's really bright now, so make it low. lower the, it's nice to the eye. And then off, 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 off. That's it, guys. So on and off. And then let's try white. Oh, sorry. Let's turn it on. On, on. Ayan, guys. So it's working. So let's try the flash. Flash, 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 flash. So ayan, guys. As you can see, that is the flash. That is the changing mode. The flash. And then let's try the strobe. Can you see it, guys? And this is the changing strobe. So this is the strobe one. So that is the strobe one. And let's try the fade one. Can you see the difference, guys? The fade one. And then this is the fade one. Fade one. So this is the fade. See, and the smooth. So it's smooth. That it is really in the eye. It's really smooth in the eye. I can see the difference from the fade and going to smooth, and then the flash to strobe. So that is the modes, the 4 modes, and then this is the 16 changing color. So let's try to put them into color green. Green, 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 and green. So all of them turn into green. And then let's change them into blue. Yan, guys, blue, 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 then blue. So all of them turns into blue. Ayan, this is my favorite color, guys, blue. It makes me feel relaxed and calm, and I just want to sit down and just listen to spa music. And let's try to change it into pink. Let's try pink. That's it, pink. So this pink is really girly. Ayan, guys, girly, girly. So, and then you will put a flash. Let's put a flash. So, you know, if you go, yung flash, guys, the flash modes, guys, it's changing all the colors. So if you are having a party, or as I am imagining that you have a Christmas tree and then Christmas carols, and put it on your Christmas tree like that, it's like, wow, fabulous. Anyway, let's put it on, let's just put it on smooth. Ayan. Let's just, yeah, okay. So let me put it into yellow. Yan, guys, I am pressing yellow, so it's really bright. Yellow, yellow, yellow. So they are all yellow na, guys. Ayan, so yellow. So let's try pink. What color is this, guys? I don't know what color is that. Let me try. So it's like a blue green. So ayan, guys. So guys, I am really happy and satisfied, and I think that my money is worth buying them to make my kids happy. And at the same time, they are waterproof. They are best for indoors and outdoors light, floodlights, and they have a special cooling as well. And at the same time, it is a, I only bought them for about £55.99 in Amazon. So guys, I am really happy, and I recommended them to you to buy them as well if you want to have a changing atmosphere and change them into your mood, what kind of mood you are. And also they also have a four mode of four modes of what is this 4 color modes changing. So ayun guys, it's really worth to buy and I am happy. I will start to put them on my Lucas bedroom. So guys, as at the moment, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below if you want them. I will put the description below and also I will put the link below if you want to buy them on Amazon. Thank you guys. Bye bye.